Subscribe the channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Get ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the 4th annual general meeting of your company. Before proceeding to the formal business of this meeting, I would like to refer to the tragedy faced by the nation during last October when our late Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi was brutally assassinated. She will be remembered in this country and the world over for generations to come. I request you to join me in paying tribute to the memory by observing 1 minute's silence. Para. Now coming to the business in hand, the notice calling this meeting, the director's report and audited accounts for the year ended 31st December 1984 are already with you for some time, and with your permission I shall take them as read. Para. Your company witnessed a satisfactory year of consolidation, growth and expansion in 1984. Your company's performance could perhaps have been better even but for an unfortunate labor situation arising at its works. While your company maintained production at a reasonable level with the help of its managers and supervisors, better results could have been achieved had the workers cooperated fully. Nevertheless, your company has a team of dedicated workers, staff, supervisors and managers of whom we are proud, and I would like to thank them for their contribution to the rapid growth achieved by your company. Para. Your company is keeping itself updated with the latest technology. A full-plugged research and development wing has been established. The level of technology matches with world standards and is far in advance of the existing process currently employed in India. We consider research and development to be the backbone of our organization, and all steps are being taken to strengthen this activity further so that we can deliver the best at a reasonable price. Para. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I firmly believe that your company has a great future with its policy of management and efficient handling of resources. I have no doubt that your company, under the management of your young and Dynamic Managing Director, will continue to make significant progress on behalf of the directors and on my own behalf. I wish to place on record my appreciation of the timely assistance extended by State Bank of Mysore and look forward to their continued patronage. I also take this opportunity to thank the employees and shareholders for their cooperation and look forward to their continued support. Finally, I thank my colleagues on the board for their cooperation, support, and guidance.